Hello, good afternoon, students. Am I audible? आवाज येतोय का माझा? आणि
हो
स्क्रीन
सर.
शेअर केलं मी. स्क्रीन दिसतंय ना? काय हेडिंग आहे? What is the heading? We are studying the iron, iron dash iron carbide, iron or iron carbon, which is also called as phase diagram or iron carbon equilibrium diagram, iron carbide equilibrium diagram, iron carbon equilibrium diagram. So in that, until now, we have studied this basic diagram. On x-axis, there is a percentage of weight of iron carbon, that is iron carbide. Carbon means the weight percentage iron मध्ये. And on this y-axis there is at one side temperature is in degree Celsius, and at another end there is a temperature in degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so at this constant temperature line, initially at this constant temperature line around 723 degrees Celsius. 1 minute student, just wait. Hello, huh? मी CNC ला वर्कशॉपला आहे. हो. So student, in this iron carbon equilibrium diagram, at this constant temperature line, the material is in BCC structure, body centered cubic crystal structure, and above this constant temperature line, around 1333 degrees Celsius or around this 1500 degrees Celsius, the material is again in face centered cubic crystal structure, that is gamma austenite. At this medium temperature line around this 1130 degrees Celsius. Now for this different diagram, there may be some minor change in temperature, but the basic range is same. Lower temperature, this 723 is the lower temperature range, this medium temperature is 1130, and this higher temperature range above 1300 degrees Celsius, that is a higher temperature. So these are the three temperatures. Just a minute. तर तिचं झालं सॉल्व ते कुठं पडलं काय केलं मग त्यांनी
तिथं ते केलं त्यांनी मग ते डॉक्युमेंट्स घेऊन घेतले
डिग्रीला कुठं तू आपली गोदावरी भरली का
नाही नाही MG रोडला
तिथे काय आहे
आपल्या बँकची शाखा तिथे
So students, this आवाज येतो ना माझा स्टुडंट am I audible?
Yes sir.
कोणी वेटिंग नाही ना हां तर स्टुडंट आपण आयन कार्बन इक्विलिब्रियम डायग्राम शिकतो आहोत त्या आयन कार्बन किंवा फेज डायग्राम किंवा आयन कार्बाइड इक्विलिब्रियम डायग्राम त्यामध्ये आपण वी आर स्टडीड द डिफरंट फेजेस बरोबर इनिशियली देयर इज अल्फा फेराइड फेज having BCC structure, body centered cubic crystal structure. त्यानंतर above this 727 degrees Celsius at this medium temperature range around 1130 up to 1300. That is a gamma austenite, and above that gamma austenite there is a delta ferrite. In this liquid phase there is a delta ferrite again that is in BCC structure. So now these are the various phases. Initially at this 0.008% of carbon, बरोबर सुरुवातीला काय 0% पासून थोडंसं पुढे अगदी नेग्लिजिबल 0.008% of carbon there is a ferrite phase or called as alpha ferrite phase, and after that alpha ferrite there is above that higher temperature at that middle temperature line there is a gamma austenite phase. So that gamma austenite phase at this medium temperature line इथे सर्वदेव मॅडम सही आहे नंतर अजून एक सही आहे
तुमची का परत
हो
इथे कोणाची
सर्वदेव मॅडम इथं हांडगे सरांची तुमची
आणखी सरांची मग तुमची परत गेली असेल
नाही इथे TPOची इथे सर्वदेव मॅडम सही आहे नंतर माझी अजून एक सही आहे आणि इथं हांडगे सरांची सही होती
बरं
आणि सर ते वर्कशॉपचं
वर्कशॉपचं ते मोरे सर ते तिकडेच आहे बघ झालं काय इथे एक सही आहे तुम्ही सयानी जशी सयानी अजून काही करेल
बरं
वर्ष प्लीज सर सर येते देता का बघ
बरं इकडे का
हाँ तिथे बघतो so student this ferrite phase at this BCC structure body centered cubic crystal structure at this medium temperature there is gamma austenite phase again it is converted into phase centered cubic crystal structure and above that higher phase. Now initially when carbon percentage is from 0 to 2.1 percentage again on this percentage of weight of ion carbon so from 0 to 1% sorry 0 to 2.1% there is called as a steel that ferrous combined with the iron sorry ferrous combined with the carbon Fe plus carbon so up to 2.1 percentage of carbon it is called as a steel from 0 percentage plain carbon steel to medium carbon steel and higher carbon steel so that is up to 2.1% of carbon but above that 2.1 percentage above this 2.1 percentage that steel will not remain steel it will be called as a cast iron बरोबर 2.1 पासून पुढे अराउंड 6.67% पर्यंत स्टीलला काय म्हणतो आपण दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज अ कास्ट आयर्न विच कॅन बी कास्टेड इझिली सो दॅट इज कास्ट आयर्न यू कॅन सी फ्रॉम 2.1 to onwards okay that is a cast iron then at this initial temperature there is a phase at room temperature there is a perlite phase alpha phase it is in perlite phase then again that higher than 2% of carbon perlite plus cementite phase and in between that there is a perlite and carbide also there so these are the different phases now we have studied that this liquid is converted into two types of solids gamma plus cementite that is a eutectic reaction we have studied that at 1138 or 1130 degrees Celsius there is a eutectic reaction and at this 723 degrees Celsius at this point this gamma phase gives rise to two solids called as a eutectide reaction eutectide reaction आपण बघितली so these are the number of phases on your iron carbon equilibrium diagram so students try to understand up to 0% from 0% to 2.1% that is a steel and from onwards 2.1 to 6.67 that is a cast iron then initially there is a perlite phase then at that 0.008% above 723 degrees Celsius there is a ferrite phase called as alpha ferrite and this alpha ferrite is converted into the gamma austenite at around this 1130 degrees Celsius and again at high temperature around this 1300 or 1400 degrees Celsius this gamma solid austenite is converted into the liquid that is delta ferrite so these are the number of phases number of crystal structures observed due to change in temperature called as the entropy of iron just wait a minute students so this property of iron is called as the entropy of iron showing different phases at different temperature ranges this is the entropy of iron entropy of iron so these are the different phases now what are the studies we have to do in this part introduction about your iron carbon equilibrium diagram then cooling curve for pure iron temperature against time that is a cooling curve so for pure iron how it will be look like that cooling curve of pure iron then definition of these structures these different phases so definition of different structures are there then iron carbon equilibrium phase diagram that is basic sketch of the diagram then iron carbon equilibrium diagram explanation austenite to ferrite or cementite transformation then nucleation and growth of perlite how that nucleation starts process how that nucleation process starts that initially one growth is developed and how that number of growth grains are developed that is a nucleation and grain growth of perlite phase the effect of carbon percentage on the microstructure of steel कार्बनचं पर्सेंटेज चेंज केल्यामुळं स्टीलवर काय परिणाम होतो ते आपल्याला बघायचं आहे. रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन कार्बन पर्सेंटेज अँड mechanical properties of steel. So basically this is a cooling curve of a iron, pure iron. Cooling curve of pure iron means so cooling curve of pure iron initially it is at around 1400 degrees Celsius. Above this 1400 degrees Celsius there is a liquid phase. You can see that there is a liquid phase at around this 1400 degrees Celsius. That is the delta ion which is in BCC structure, body center cubic crystal structure, and below that liquid phase the delta ion is in the gamma phase. That is the gamma ion in FCC structure, and again at that medium temperature line that gamma austenite is converted into the alpha ferrite, that is again in BCC structure. And initially at room temperature also alpha ferrite is in BCC structure, that is magnetic. So these are the different changes in your cooling curve when you are lowering down the temperature from 1400 above that 2800 degree Fahrenheit to 0 degree Fahrenheit, or 1400 degree Celsius to 0 degree Celsius. So that cooling curve will look like this. Initially delta ion, again the delta ion is converted into the gamma ion, that BCC is converted into the FCC structure. Again this FCC is converted into the alpha BCC structure which is non-magnetic, and again lowering that 727 degrees Celsius or 770 as per drawing, that is a alpha ferrite which is in again BCC structure and which is the magnetic. So this is the cooling curve of a pure iron. Now definition of structures. आपण मागच्या लेक्चरला बघितलं the number of phases which we have to study. Various phases that appear on the pure phase diagram are as follows: austenite phase, gamma austenite we can call it as a ferrite, the alpha ferrite or delta ferrite, then pearlite and cementite phase. So these are the phases which you can see on this iron carbon boron diagram. So you can understand number of phases are austenite, ferrite, pearlite, cementite, martensite, and lidoburite. So these are the number of phases. Sports Thank you. So these are the number of phases. Now basically we study this structure. स्टूडेंट लक्षात घ्या, काही सेकंड इयर स्टूडेंट जॉइन झाले, मला वाटतं एक मिनिट लेट मी चेक. इज देयर एनी डायरेक्ट सेकंड इयर स्टूडेंट इन दिस लेक्चर? स्टूडेंट्स डायरेक्ट सेकंड इयर स्टूडेंट जॉइन झाले का? हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, इज देयर एनी स्टूडेंट फ्रॉम डायरेक्ट सेकंड इयर बैच? डायरेक्ट सेकंड इयर स्टूडेंट जॉइन झाले का स्टूडेंट्स? हेलो, इज देयर एनी स्टूडेंट फ्रॉम डायरेक्ट सेकंड इयर बैच? हेलो, आहे का कोणी? आई थिंक नो इज देयर फ्रॉम डायरेक्ट सेकंड इयर. So, student, in our first chapter, we have studied these different crystal structures. We already studied these different crystal structures for showing the different phases. So, these different crystal structures are like this. So this is first is called as a BC. Sorry, first that A diagram austenite phase, gamma centered cubic crystal structure. And that austenite diagram is at phase centered cubic crystal structure. So that is there is the half semi-sphere molecule, semi-sphere part of the molecule. At each 6 faces, 4 side round and 4 above side and from bottom side. टॉप एंड बॉटम. सो 6 चार बाजूचे स्क्वेअरचे चार बाजू आहे साइडचे प्लस टॉप एंड बॉटम. सो दॅट 6 spaces there will be semi square or semi spherical shape of the molecule. Remaining part is shared with its adjacent molecule. And at 8 corners of the cube, there is 1/4 part of the molecule. So there is a FCC, phase center cubic crystal structure. Now in this FCC structure, now second is phase center झाला, that is gamma austenite. Then after this gamma austenite, there is the next structure is called as alpha ferrite. So alpha ferrite is again at the 8 corners there is a one-fourth part of molecules at each 8 corners of the cube, as well as at the center, there is one unshared molecule. So that is your FCC. Sorry, that is your BCC, body center cubic crystal structure of ferrite, alpha ferrite phase. And at that martensite phase, again that martensite phase is again it is a FCC, phase center cubic crystal structure. Sorry, it is in BCC structure, body center crystal structure booked upon C, martensite phase, that is in BCC structure again. Means at the center of the body of the molecule there is one unshared molecule which is completely within itself, as well as in addition to that there are 8 corner molecules at the corner of the cube. So that is your martensite structure, and at there is a carbon atom is there. Interstitially C atom is there. So note that interstitial position of the carbon atoms and increase in dimension C with increasing the carbon content. कार्बनची साइज वाढल्याने काय होतं, त्याची साइज पण वाढते. बरोबर, increase in the dimension C with the increasing carbon content. बरोबर. So there is a carbon percentage at its remaining portion. तो स्टूडेंट लक्षात घ्या, FCC phase centered cubic crystal structure, which is again FCC curved into BCC body centered cubic crystal structure, and again that BCC it is in so again that martensite phase in body centered cubic crystal structure, and there is one more fourth structure. That fourth structure is of martensite structure. Martensite structure is like that. Interstitial position of the carbon atom. Note that interstitial position of the carbon atoms and increase in the dimension C with increasing the carbon content. Thus, the unit cell of the martensite is in the shape of the rectangular prism. हाँ, martensite prism, martensite structure कैसा है? Crystal structure. Martensite crystal structure is in the rectangular prism structure. बरोबर, हा शेवटचा स्ट्रक्चर आहे. That is the martensitic crystal structure. That is martensite crystal structure having rectangular prism. So these are the different crystal structures. Now these are the microstructures. Microstructures of different phases of steel. आपण हे जगावरती आयन कार्बन डायग्रामवर वेगवेगळे फेज बघतोय. Now how they will be look like under that microscope. जेव्हा मी मायक्रोस्कोप खाली ते मटेरियल चेक करणार आहे, तर आपल्याला प्रॅक्टिकल बघायचं ते अंडर दॅट मायक्रोस्कोप वी कॅन मॅग्निफाय द इमेज ऑफ द सरफेस ऑफ वर्कपीस. बरोबर, वर्कपीस सरफेसची मी इमेज जेव्हा काही नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स मॅग्निफाय करून मी जेव्हा बघतो, सो आय कॅन लुक लाईक स्ट्रक्चर लाईक दिस. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड एज अ microstructure, like microstructure of gamma austenite. Initially, first white phase is the gamma austenite phase, having that light color, grain boundaries and grains are there. Then that pearlite phase, there is an increase in the pearlitic phase, that is another microstructure of pearlite phase, and at the end there is a microstructure of ferrite phase. That ferrite phase is having some more black shaded carbon, that is alpha ferrite phase. So these are the different microstructure. Austenite microstructure, perlite microstructure and ferrite microstructure. When we see under the मायक्रोस्कोप मध्ये जेव्हा आपण मायक्रोस्ट्रक्चर चेक करतो तेव्हा अशा प्रकारचं शक्ती तुम्हाला बघायला मिळतं. These are again some different crystal structures. The microstructure of austenite 500 times magnifying it. Ferrite again it is 100 times magnifying it. Then perlite by 2500 magnifying. And last is around 17,000 magnification is. That is the electron micrograph. These are the number of graphs by magnifying it by number of times in thousands or maybe more. So these are the different crystal structures which we have to study one by one. So first is the ferrite. Ferrite is known as alpha solid solution. That ferrite phase, alpha phase, it is the alpha solid solution. Basically, it is an interstitial solid solution of a small amount of carbon dissolved in alpha ion, which is the BCC structure. That can be one of the questions from your objective type of paper. That alpha ion is a dash solid solution. It is interstitial solid solution. Upon type of solid solution we शिकलो होतो, either it is interstitial solid solution or it is substitution solid solution, but it is not substitution solid solution. When that solid atom and solid atom they are in same size, then there is a substitution of each other. But in interstitial solid solution, that solid atoms are too small. So that there will not replacement of any molecules, but there is a taking place of that interstitial solid solution. So that is your हेलो बोल ना. मला पाठवतो व्हॉट्सअपवर. So students, these are the different crystal structures. These are the different crystal structures we are studying. These are the alpha ion structure. आपण आता पुढचं अल्फा आयन स्ट्रक्चर बघतोय. That is alpha ferrite or called as a ferrite solid solution, which is basically interstitial solid solution of small amount of carbon dissolved in an alpha ion. That is BCC, body centered cubic crystal structure. Body centered cubic crystal structure आपण आता वरती बघितलं होतं. That is BCC. That second B and C diagrams, they are both in the BCC structure. Alpha ferrite body centered cubic crystal structure or martensite body centered cubic crystal structure. So basically what happened in alpha ferrite, that BCC is at the center of the molecule. बरोबर, cubical part आहे तो, त्याच्या सेंटरला काय आहे, एक अनशेअर्ड मोलेक्युल आहे तो. इट इज कम्प्लीटली विदिन इटसेल्फ. तो कोणाबरोबर शेअर आहे काय तुला नाही. That is unshared molecule at the center of the body. That's why it is body centered cubic. And in addition to that, at 8 corners, likewise is saying, so त्याप्रमाणे 8 कॉर्नरला काय आहे, त्या क्यूबच्या वरचे 4 पार्ट आणि खालचे 4 पार्ट, असे 8 ही कॉर्नरला काय आहे, देयर इज अ 1/4 स्फेरिकल पार्ट ऑफ द मोलेक्युल. रिमेनिंग 3 पार्ट कुठे असतं, मग आजूबाजूचे जेव्हा ते पार्ट जर ऍड होतात, मीन्स सी दिस फर्स्ट साइड पार्ट, सेकंड साइड पार्ट and this top side third part. When this third another molecules are adding to that corner, so it will complete that corner molecules. So in that way, that is BCC, body centered cubic crystal structure, having alpha ion stable from ion below 912 degrees Celsius. The maximum solubility is 0.025. Maximum solubility किती आहे, 0.025% of carbon at 720 degrees Celsius, and it dissolves only up to 0.008% of carbon at room temperature. So it is the softest structure that appears on the diagram. Alpha ion just it is softest structure because it is having less carbon from 0.008 to 0.025 carbon only. So that is softest structure that appears on the diagram. That is called as alpha ion or ferrite phase. Then these are the microstructure of alpha ferrite phase. Alpha ferrite phase जेव्हा आपण मायक्रोस्कोप खाली बघतो, we can see such structures. These are the grain, and these are internally grains are there, and outside the grains they are located by different grain boundaries. बरोबर, the tensile strength is 40,000 psi. Elongation is 40% in 2 inch. Whereas Rockwell hardness and Rockwell C scale hardness and Rockwell B scale hardness, both hardness is given. So that is your alpha ferrite phase. And next phase which we have to study is the perlite phase. Just wait, students. तुम सेशन आर साइंस से आधुनिक सही में तुम इलेक्ट्रिकल है ना सेशन आर साइंस से ही था तुम सेशन आधुनिक सही में
घेऊन घ्या ना सर
मी घेऊन लागेल इथेच मी एकदम तसं बरोबर सो परलाइट फेज next phase is the perlite phase having this microstructure at the corner ferrite plus cementite phase that is perlite structure perlite is the eutectide mixture perlite काय आहे ते eutectide point मध्ये बघितलं आपण eutectide mixture containing 0.80% of carbon बरोबर कार्बन चे percentage थोडं वाढलं आहे 0.80% of carbon and it is formed at 723 degrees Celsius on very slow cooling बरोबर slow cooling केल्यामुळे काय होतं perlite सारखं फेज तयार होतो it is a very fine plate like or lamellate mixture of ferrite and cementite बरोबर ठीक आहे plate like or lamellar mixture बरोबर हे छोटे छोटे प्लेट दिसत आहे ना सो प्लेट लाइक और lamellar mixture of ferrite and cementite ferrite आणि cementite चं काय आहे lamellar mixture आहे so that is your alpha ferrite phase or called as a perlite phase sorry having 0.80% of carbon above 720 degrees Celsius it is very fine plate like बरोबर हे काय छोटे पाईप plate like of lamellar mixture of ferrite and cementite एक साइडला ferrite आणि या लाइन्स काय they are the cementite the white ferritic background ferrite phase काय that is white background or matrix contains thin plates of cementite ferrite is the white background in that white background there is a mixture of black color matrix also there that is a cementite or called as a cementite phase combined with the ferrite phase forming perlite structure so that is the perlite structure then again this perlite structure is having this much properties tensile strength at around 120,000 psi then elongation is 20% in 2 inch then hardness is of Rockwell C20 Rockwell B that is 95 to 100 or BHN to 50 to 300 then definition of structure again there is austenite phase or called as a gamma austenite phase so austenite it is an interstitial solid solution interstitial of solid solution बघितलं आपण that interstitial solid solution of carbon dissolved in a gamma FCC ion so that is your austenite phase having interstitial solid solution of carbon dissolved in a gamma or FCC ion that is phase center cubic crystal structure phase center cubic crystal structure आपण परत मागे बघितलं स्टुडंट लक्षात घ्या आपण this is called as a phase center cubic crystal structure so this first diagram blue color diagram is the phase center at each 6 faces of cube or 1 2 3 and 3 back side remaining so that 6 faces of cube there is a half semi-sphere part of the spherical molecule whereas at 8 corners of the cube there are 1/4 atom of shared molecule that is a FCC phase center cubic crystal structure which is shown at here this perlite phase so that is your FCC and tensile strength is 150,000 psi elongation is 10% in 2 inch Rockwell is C40 and approximately so Rockwell phase is very hard for this austenite phase called as the gamma austenite phase then next is the cementite phase next is called as the cementite phase just a minute so next phase is the cementite phase having hardest structure called as the cementite phase So that cementite is Aditya Vadnane. Aditya, unmute yourself, Aditya. Hello, Aditya. आवाज येतो का? आदित्य, हॅलो, आदित्य वडलारे जॉईन झाला का रे? हॅलो, आदित्य आरुजा. So students, this is cementite crystal structure. Cementite is the iron carbide. Cementite कुठे आहे? From about the 2% to about 2.1% to up to 6.67. That is cementite phase. बरोबर. Iron carbide or cementite is very hard and brittle intermetallic compound of iron and carbon, as Fe3C contains 6.67% of carbon. It is cementite structure. It is the hardest structure that appears on the diagram. Exact melting point unknown. Bro, exact melting point of cementite is not known, and it is crystal structure of orthorhombic. Bro, cementite phase कैसा है? Orthorhombic crystal structure having 6.67% of carbon, and basically that cementite is the Fe3C. Means we can see that one carbon atom, that one carbon free atom, it reacts with the three ferrous molecules surrounding three ferrous molecules, forming your iron carbon or cementite phase. So it is the basically intermetallic compound which is very hard and brittle, and structure is given like that. It is a crystal structure which orthorhombic crystal structure, and there is property delay. It has low tensile strength about 5000 psi, but high compressive strength also. No? Tensile strength basically kami, but very high compressive strength of that cementite structure. Then there is one more phase called as a lidoburite. There is one more phase called as a lidoburite. That lidoburite is the eutectic mixture. That above point is the eutectic point. So eutectic mixture झाली तर सही नाही का? तुमच्या आयर सरांची सही घ्या. मग त्याची झालं माझी सही. बरोबर. So lidoburite is the eutectic mixture of austenite and cementite. Austenite and cementite is a mixture, eutectic mixture. That is lidoburite. It contains 4.3% of carbon at 1130 degrees Celsius. बरोबर. Lidoburite phase कुठे असतो बघूया आपण. Just a minute. I will show you on the diagram. So lidoburite phase is at here. Lidoburite phase is at this higher temperature line. So this is your lidoburite phase. At that 1130 degrees Celsius, and carbon percentage is of 4.3%. In between your 4 and 5, that is 4.3% of carbon, and at around 1130 degrees Celsius, 1130. So that is the lidoburite. L is the lidoburite plus cementite. That is your lidoburite phase at around 4.3% of carbon and around. So that is a eutectic point. That is basically eutectic point called as a lidoburite phase. So again we'll go to that slide. So this is lidoburite phase. Then last phase is called as a martensite phase. Martensite, it is a super saturated solid solution of carbon in ferrite. Ferrite मध्ये का alpha ferrite मध्ये carbon जेव्हा mix होतो, it is super saturated solid solution. It is formed when the steel is cooled so rapidly that the change from austenite to perlite is suppressed. बरोबर. Austeniteचा perlite मध्ये suppress होताना ते rate of cooling एवढा fast असतं so that perlite is suppressed. That is your martensite. So interstitial carbon atom distort the BCC ferrite into BCC tetragonal structure BCT, responsible for the hardness of quenched steel. That is your martensite phase, which is one of the hardest structure of iron. So that is your martensite phase. Then the iron carbon equilibrium diagram, the map of the temperature at which different phase changes occur on very slow heating and cooling in relation to carbon is called as the आयन कार्बन डायग्राम. बरोबर, आयनचं आणि कार्बनचं पर्सेंटेज कमी केल्यामुळं किंवा टेम्परेचर मध्ये थोडासा डिफरन्स जरी केला on very slow heating on very slow cooling there is a very changes occurs on that ion carbon diagram, that is your ion carbon equilibrium diagram. The types of alloy formed under very slow cooling, proper heat treatment, temperature, and how the properties of steel and cast iron can be readily changed by heat treatment. बरोबर, heat treatment केल्यामुळे काय होतं, there is a readily changes in the temperatures. These are the various features of ion carbon equilibrium diagram. These are the three reactions: eutectic reaction and eutectile reaction, and one more is the peritectic reaction. So these are the three reactions on your ion carbon equilibrium diagram. And L is the liquid phase, delta is the BCC structure, paramagnetic, gamma austenite is the FCC, non-magnetic, alpha ferrite is BCC structure, ferromagnetic, and Fe3C, that is cementite or orthorhombic, hard bitter, that is your different phases on that ion carbon equilibrium diagram. The phase reactions, now these are three reactions called as the peritectic reaction, eutectic reaction, and eutectile reaction. So these are the three reactions called as the first is the high temperature reaction called as peritectic reaction. So at that 1490 degrees Celsius degree carbon with low weight percentage of carbon are almost no engineering importance. So peritectic has no importance of the liquid ion. Then eutectic reaction at around that 1130 degrees centigrade, and at that 4.3. And at that 1130 degrees Celsius with 4.38% of carbon, whereas the eutectile phase is at around constant temperature line, that is 723. First line on the ion carbon diagram, that's 723 degrees Celsius with eutectile composition of 0.88% of carbon. Initially, the carbon percentage is starting from 0, that is 0.88% of carbon. Two phase mixture, ferrite and cementite, they are called as the steels, basically, eutectile temperature. So how to read the FECD diagram? This ferrous carbon or iron carbon diagram is like this. Simple structure of this iron carbon diagram. It look like this. So iron percentage of carbon. Then there is a temperature in degree Fahrenheit as well as degree Celsius. So this is ion carbon equilibrium diagram. These are the phases we are studying. So these are the different structures showing different reactions. So data region of ion carbon equilibrium diagram. So there is austenite to ferrite cementite transformation related to the FEC diagram. There is a different phases. Ferrite phase at initially at here, then at ferrite plus cementite, that phase structure is different. These are three phases. So these are the different structures under microscope. There is a schematic picture of the formation of growth of perlite. Perlite कसा फॉर्म होता? Ferrite plus cementite perlite कसा फॉर्म होता? There is a schematic sketch. This is a nucleation and grain growth of perlite. Initially there is austenite phase. लक्षात घ्या, पहिल्या फिगर मध्ये काय आहे? There is austenite phase. बरोबर. This is the grain in between the austenite phase and and then there is a grain boundary, and in that austenite, in that cementite nucleus is formed. Initially काय होतं austenite phase मध्ये काय तयार होतं, cementite phase Fe3C चं काय तयार होतं, nucleation तयार होतं, एक nucleus तयार होतं बघ. This black dot in that austenite phase, that is the nucleus of cementite phase, and after some time, due to the continuous formation, that nucleus of ferrite is more. So nucleus getting growth in besides bro, हळूहळू काय होतं, हे सुरुवातीला एक न्यूक्लियस तयार होतं, त्याच्या बाजूला हळूहळू काय होतं, that ferrite and nucleus growths are continuously increasing. So we can see that process continuously goes on increasing, that formation of cementite nucleus. Cementite च्या भोवती काय होतं, परत ferrite phase होतो, त्याच्या भोवती परत cementite nucleus तयार होतो बरोबर. अशा प्रकारे nucleus grain growth is continuously, so that perlite structure is formed. So that is the nucleation of growth and perlite phase. Austenite to ferrite or cementite transformation in relation to the FEC diagram, bro. That is hypoeutectile or hypereutectile. Hypo means less than. Eutectile पेक्षा कमी असलेलं, that is hypoeutectile, and hypereutectile is eutectile पेक्षा जास्त असलेलं. That is hypo and hypereutectile, and considering the pulling of typical hypoeutectile along line YY dash, bro. That is your hypoeutectile or hypereutectile stills. Students, try to understand this phase having crystal structure BCC, body centered cubic crystal structure of ferrite phase, and that characteristics is soft, ductile, and magnetic ferrite phase. That ferrite phase is at around that 1140 degrees Celsius. It's converted into the austenite, gamma austenite, that is again in FCC structure. It is soft, moderate strength, and non-magnetic, and again that cementite phase. That is FCC, sorry, BCC is ferrite phase, soft ductile magnetic, and austenite, gamma austenite is again FCC structure, soft moderate strength, non-magnetic, and again that higher temperature, that is a cementite structure. Not higher, basically at that higher percentage of carbon, compound of iron and carbon Fe3C, that is hard and brittle structure of what cementite phase. These are the eutectile changes in your iron carbon equilibrium diagram. So this is a cast iron. So students, these are all about your iron carbon equilibrium diagram. Yes, today we have studied these different phases: ferrite phase, gamma austenite phase, steel up to 0 to 2% of carbon, from 2.1 onwards up to 6.67, that is the cast iron. Then initially at room temperature of initial 0% of carbon, there is perlite phase. Then after that perlite cementite phase is there. After that so this is all about your iron carbon equilibrium diagram. In the next part we will consider that remaining part of the iron carbon diagram, so that we can complete this second unit. Is it clear, students? So today we have studied about different crystal structures or different phases on that iron carbon equilibrium diagram. Is it clear, students? आयन कार्बन डायग्रामचा नीट अभ्यास करा स्टुडंट. आयन कार्बन डायग्राम तुमच्या सिलेबसच्या दृष्टीने इट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. पुढच्या लेक्चरला द लास्ट टाइम आपण आयन कार्बन डायग्राम थोडक्यात बघू, सो दॅट यू कॅन गेट द क्लिअर आयडिया अबाउट युअर आयन कार्बन इक्विलिब्रियम डायग्राम अँड so that we can complete this second unit. बरोबर. So student, is there any difficulty related to today's part? Iron carbon diagram सगळ्यांना समजले असेल. Iron carbon equilibrium diagram is the property of iron showing different crystal structures.